you're wondering what food's like in Iceland and how much is it, we're going to show you everything from the grocery store to a gas station and everything in between. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is your ultimate Icelandic South Coast food guide. Today it's grocery store head to head, and we're starting in bonus.
This time we're in bonus.
And we're going to show you some pricing and stuff. So we're just going to get the essentials today.
So come with us.
Yeah, check out Lori's cart. It's a big one.
Okay, so Chuck, what do we start with?
Okay, eggs and milk and coffee. Get that.
Yes, we have our lovely bacon.
Yes. Very crowded. Very crowded store. All this stuff is in a walk-in cooler. It's crazy. All right, we need cheese. Is there a traffic pattern?
This is funny because Chuck thought Syracuse could be bad. He ain't seen nothing.
This is crazy. She goes looking for cheese. There's all kinds of cheese here.
Chuck, Gouda cheese?
Can.
No, this is mild.
Mild cheese with what?
With a kid on it.
With a kid on it.
You know what that means?
I don't know.
It's some kind of kitty cheese.
Here we go again.
Yes. I don't know. I think maybe.
That is only
Maybe?
1,137 kronas. I think that's it. That's it.
You sure?
Yeah, it looks like milk.
I know.
It's not formula.
But what is this? L-E?
That's what the price.
What is L-E-T-T?
This is musical whatever it is. It's milk. All right, get us out of here. It's cold. Like I'm on a glacier.
Do you want orange juice?
Yep, grab it. How much is it? We're not exactly sure, but that one
So,
is probably that price right there. Say it's right here. 339 kronas.
so do you think it's orange juice because it says Florida?
It was last. Yes.
Maybe because it says Florida.
Yeah. That must be an orange juice. It's going with it. I think it is.
I hope.
So. There's ice cream. It's kind of like Ben and Jerry's, but not. But it's 798 kronas for ice cream, like a pint of ice cream. Kind of weird. You get something from Vermont here. Ben and Jerry's in Iceland, it's 945 kronas.
Yeah.
All right, let's find eggs. Plenty of soda. Look. The problem with finding all this stuff is the signs are all in Icelandic.
Yeah, so then Chuck says, where are they? Like, he thinks I know.
They're all in Icelandic. We're in another cooler. Keep all this stuff in like these freezers that you walk into.
Oh.
Or he's gonna pick out some eggs. Which one's you gonna get this time?
So here we go with the pink and the brown eggs.
I don't know. See if they're yeah, they are. Look, open them up. Open up the top one right there.
Actually, no.
Oh, they're normal.
But,
So-
yeah.
Oops. Say eggs on. They're definitely eggs for sure. Where's the price?
Up there.
Oh, up there. All right, so 577 kronas for eggs. Being an Icelandic bonus is like NASCAR. You have to like bump them and grind them and get around. It's crazy.
Son of a bitch just slammed into me!
No, he didn't slam into you, he didn't bump you, he didn't nudge you. He rubbed you. And rubbing, son, is racing.
Like NASCAR. Found cleaning stuff. This is not crackers or coffee. Look at the dark roast right there. Dark roast,
These work?
and it is 609 kronas.
Do you think those work in the coffee pot?
Yeah, try the pods. They'll work. Just throw them in the bottom. Let's see. Skittles. Do it. Grab the
Works.
Ritz.
Okay.
How much are they? They are
I don't know.
a fine value.
Is this enough crackers for you?
Yeah, it's enough.
You sure?
Yeah. Okay, we gotta get out of here. All right, so I'm gonna change the language to English. This way,
So no Slovenian?
I don't think so. So, how do you do it? Oh, under here? And I think, like, is that working?
Hopefully.
So far, so good. Beacon.
Uh-oh. What happened to the bacon?
It does not like the bacon. Yes. It coated. Oh, okay. Very helpful. That's it. Where do we get a bag? Oh, okay.
Let's check there.
Right here? There's no Slock Savanya this time.
No. And you changed it to English though, correct?
I did. I changed to English. It's very important when you're shopping here to change everything to English. But still, a lot of the signage and everything is in Icelandic, so it's not super easy. But we live. We totally live.
Another grocery store experience.
We survived grocery shopping in Iceland. The other major grocery store in Iceland is Krónan, our personal favorite. You'll see why. We're back at Krónan. We're gonna give them another whirl.
Yeah.
See how this is.
So here we go.
All right, let's roll. We don't need a cart though, just need a basket, right?
Oh, you could take I'll take that cart.
Take that one. Here,
Wait.
wait, try that one out.
Here.
Try that out.
Sweet. So here's my cart.
It's a super small cart. No, I think that's a little too small. That's too small. There. I don't know if we really need a cart or not,
Do you
but
want
we'll just
to?
get one.
We'll take
'cause-
one just in case.
All right, so go through the gates. This already feels better than bonus. Like way better. Yeah, we're back for more bananas.
So do we want the price of the bananas?
We do. There are the bananas. Smooth.
So when in the store, I may have to get smoothies.
Okay.
So it says $3.70.
Yeah, $3.70. Okay, that's right.
Are they all I guess. I'm just looking for a second because they're all different. Like those are a pack, but somebody opened them.
Because you can take them out as onesies.
Can you?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't think you could.
Lori's putting the smoothies in the...
So I have to say this is a little weird though because it seems like they're the same price almost, but they're different sizes.
Whatever.
So I don't know.
I don't know. I'm just going with it.
Well, Icelandic chocolate.
Maybe. I'll come in.
How
for
much
a
are they a
closer-
bar?
390 krones each.
Oh, okay.
Let's get some. Each soda.
Yes.
That way.
I am trying to.
You're fine. It's not like the other store at all. It's a much more casual experience.
Yes. So,
Lori, look. My favorite orange soda in the world. 113 krones. Oh my god, this is good.
so you have to think what we have and what you might want because otherwise you make another trip. What are these?
I don't know what they are.
I don't know either. They're weird looking.
Stink balls? What?
I don't know.
What are they?
Just something about cheese ring. I don't know.
Oh no.
It looks creepy.
Put them back. They scare me.
Check look.
Salmon?
I think so. Actually, that looks good though. I think so.
Icelandic Pop Secret. 920 krones. Salt sticks. What kind of nuts did you want? I found peanuts. I found some mixed nuts. Check these out.
Those look good.
Well, grab one of those.
Those are like peanuts, cashews, yeah, cranberry.
They are 999 krones. Still a lot of room in the cart, but I think we're good. Nice empty cart. Well, I bet you the price tag won't be low.
Right now we kind of have a weird assortment of things,
We do. We gonna go?
but yes.
All right. The Sloksivanya.
You're going the wrong direction.
I know. I gotta get to the front.
I just wanted you to think so you don't think you need anything to barbecue.
Sorry, guys. After you.
There's smiley faces on the food too.
They like their smiley faces.
You asked me before where the pre-made sandwiches are. So
And
you
there
found
they
them.
are. And they're about 997 crowns. Well, it depends. They're different prices, but I think we're good. We should like go cash out.
Yes, we can do that.
Fine. Roll. Now we could do this in the wrong language again, but we're gonna pick the right language.
Uh-oh.
That's how many? It's Sloxivania.
I think I'm okay. I don't know. I'm going to do that last.
I'm curious how much the soda comes up. And see, the soda is 112 crowns.
This is where I'm not sure what to do.
Set them on there. You're going to have to like, let's just say how many. Search item. Sign of bananas. How many?
Is it 4?
4. Alright, so now we have to pay. Bills in the vault. Okay, here.
What happened to your socks of onion? What happened to the socks of onion?
It's over there.
Where's, I don't,
Moon, yeah.
it,
I don't know what
it
that
means
means.
something though.
No, ask him what it means. Ask an Icelandic person what it means. I don't really know.
I don't even know if I can pronounce it right.
I hear it in the background. I'm having flashbacks to last year. It's like the moon, yeah.
How do I get out?
Okay.
I go for it.
We're good. She's out. Run, run, run. She's out. That was a much smoother experience this time.
Yes, and I have to say between bonus and Krónan,
Kronan, 100%.
we're definitely thinking Krónan's a nicer grocery store.
Yeah. Avoid bonus. And you gotta buy in like bulk, which is really annoying. So this is a better store. Next time, we're taking you to dinner with us to a Viking longhouse. Cheers.
Cheers.
Pack your bag and join us next time.